drive my car and take control of my love. For her I would kill, for her I would drill. She know that it's real, she know that I feel however she feel, girl.
Hey BF dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to start off with priming the eyes. I'm using Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to take some dark brown powder from my ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and I'm going to follow the natural shape of her eyebrows and fill them in. And also I'm going to go in with a black powder. I went in with a dark brown powder first, but I'm going in with a black eyeshadow just to deepen and get the eyebrows really how I want them to be. So now I'm going in with this shade from my new concealer palette, and I'm just going up under her brows just to shape and clean them up even more. And I'm not sure of the name of the concealer palette, but it will be listed below in my description box, as well as the other products that I'm using in this video, so make sure you check that out. So now I'm going back into my concealer palette, taking a shade that's close to her skin tone so I can define and carve out the brow even more. You always want to take a concealer that's close to your skin tone when you're doing the top of your eyebrows, just so they can blend more and better. You don't really want to put a light concealer at the top of your eyebrow because it just won't look good at the end of the day unless you know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, you know, always use a skin tone color. And y'all, excuse my hair in this video, it looks so crazy and dry. Oh my gosh, I'm getting it washed, excuse it, whatever. I'm showing y'all how to slay your face, not do your hair. Okay. Also, quick tip, when you're concealing at the bottom, make sure you blend downward, and when you're concealing the brow at the top, after you're done carving it out, blend it into the skin upwards. Okay, I'm going into my Soft Glam Anastasia palette. I'm taking the color Burnt Orange, and we're going to be doing a lot of blending for this look today. So yeah, I'm starting from her outer corner, and then I'm going to go to the front part of her eye and start blending it out. So yeah. Back into the Anastasia palette. Now we're taking the color Sienna, which is a deeper orange, and we're going to blend that into the shade that we just put down. Now on to the next shade. I'm so corny. But I'm taking Mulberry from the Glam palette, and I'm going to be blending that in. It's just basically a brownish orange shade. Now on to the last shade that we'll be blending in today, which is this burgundy purple kind of color from the MAC and Patrick Star collection. So I'm just going to be basically blending that in to deepen the eyeshadow up. Now this is a cut crease look, so we're going to be carving the lids today. I just took a light concealer from my concealer palette, and I just started like creasing, well, cutting the shape into the crease that I wanted. You can basically just watch what I'm doing. Now I'm taking my Magic palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this pinky shade and this thin brush to apply it, and I'm just going to apply this shimmery shade all over her lid. Now I'm going back into my Soft Glam palette from Anastasia to get this black shade, and I'm going to use this as the wing liner. Now on to my most favorite part of this look, the glitter. I'm taking my Duo Lash Glue and applying it before I apply the glitter. This is going to help the glitter adhere to the eyes. I'm using this glitter glue because I ran out of my glitter glue, and this is the best alternative to use when you run out of your lash glue. Now I'm taking this pretty chunky glitter from Glit Life Cosmetics. You can find them on Instagram. I love their glitters. I'm just taking this glitter, patting it over top of the cut crease that we just applied. Now I'm just taking my Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liner, which is my current favorite eyeliner ever. It's super matte, and just going over the black eyeshadow that we applied. I just wanted to make the eyeliner darker. Now let's get into these lashes, honey. These are my unreleased lashes. Yes, just one of the pairs of my unreleased lashes. And I will be restocking the site soon and putting the new lashes onto the site, y'all. So just bear with me. Finally, on to the face. I'm taking the shade C77 from my concealer palette, and I'm going to conceal under her eyes with this, her nose, forehead, above her mouth, and her chin. Now taking the foundation, which is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk in the shade 7.5, I'm going to put the foundation around her face where I didn't apply the concealer and just blend it in. Look at that skin, honey. That luminous silk is flawless. But now I'm going into my ItsMyRayeRaye palette, and I'm taking the middle bronzer and I'm bronzing her skin up and contouring as well. Now I'm setting under her eyes and everywhere that I concealed using my Sacha Buttercup powder and my Rcma translucent powder. Now taking the best highlighter of all time, the Amrezy Highlighter. Do y'all see that? It blends into the skin like butter. If you missed this, you tripping. Like, if it's in your stores now, like, y'all go see if it's in Ulta or Sephora and cop it, because it's bomb. Taking a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going under her waterline and into her waterline and just blending the black, and then I'm going to go into a purple out of my ItsMyRayeRaye palette and then blend that up under the black. Now into my ItsMyRayeRaye palette again. I'm taking the brown shade that I use for her eyebrows and I'm using it to line her lips. I be using powder to line the lips, girl. Like, makeup has no rules, but I'm taking my Nicki Minaj, Nicki's Nude, and putting that on her lips. And that is all for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Everything is in the description bar. So peace, BF dolls.
CJ knows.
In a foreign, water my diamond like horn. Clip gon' go out like a alarm. Tell that bitch out on me, Put up on him with them arms. Load of the top and shoot. Load of that top and shoot. Load of that top and shoot. Don't get no fuck about you. My nigga bang so my nigga say get the truth. Fuck with the click and you do what we want her to do. We gon' control her like ooh, nah. We gon' control her like